This is the worked examples video for moments. By the end, you'll be able to do 3 things. First, use moment equals force times distance. Second, apply the principle of moments. And third, find an unknown force or distance. 2 things to remember. First, a moment equals force times distance from the pivot. Second, when something balances, the clockwise moment equals the anti-clockwise moment. So force 1 times distance, 1 equals force, 2 times distance 2. Rearrange that to find whatever's missing. Here's a balance problem. A 200 Newton weight sits 1.5 metres to the left of a pivot. What force, 1 metre to the right, will balance it? For balance, the anti-clockwise moment equals the clockwise moment. So 200 times 1.5 equals F times 1.0. Let's solve it. 200 times 1.5 is 300. So 300 equals F times 1. That gives 300 equals F. Dividing by 1 leaves F on its own. So a force of 300 newtons is needed. A smaller distance needs a bigger force to balance the same moment. Now it's your turn. Try these practice questions. Question 1. Find the moment of a 20N force, acting 0.5 mentors from a pivot. Question 2. A seesaw balances. 300N at 2 meters on the left. What force at 3M on the right? Question 3. A 40N force gives a moment of 10N. How far from the pivot does it act? Pause the video, work them out on paper, then play on to check your answers. 3, 2, 1. Here are the answers. Number 1. 10 Nm m shares fxd shove 20 x 0.5. Number 2. 200N 300 x 2 shares fx3, so f ser 600 ser 3. Number 3. 0.25 meters d airs m f ser 10 ser 40. Thanks for watching. If this video helped, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more IGCSE science revision. My revision workbook is available from the link in the comments.